these medications have side effects, and these side effects go a long way to harm our body. Have you ever felt sick thinking that it is a particular kind of disease? However, you went to the hospital. After doing some labs, doctor told you a condition which is different from what you were thinking about. This usually happens, and then we resort to certain medications which we were not intended to take. This is why in today's video, I would want us to learn a lot about self-medication.
Painkillers and antibiotics was one of the reasons my kidneys packed up. And nobody told me.
The pain medication, because the liver breaks this medication, when you take it for a very long period of time, without the need for you to take it causes liver damage. Also, they reduce blood flow to the kidneys. So this means that indirectly there are a lot of painkillers that will be retained in the human body. There are some of us, once we feel slight headache, we will be searching for their pain medication, which may be the symptom of the pain might be from a cause. So if we don't treat the cause and you try to target the pain, you are doing cause 90 because there is a cause to the pain. The antibiotics will result in antibiotic resistance. There are some of us, once they feel fever, chills, general body weakness, they will go to the pharmacy and then buy antibiotic without having the knowledge that you may have these symptoms and then it might not be from a bacteria cause. Let us also consider the antimalarial drugs. This usually happens in people living in malaria and endemic countries. Once they feel fever, chills, and then general malaise, they know that it is malaria, then they will go to the pharmacy and then buy malaria drug to take. Meanwhile, your symptom can be similar to malaria. However, it might not be that you have malaria. And then antimalarial drug will lead to antimalarial drug resistance. And this will go a long way to harm us because to get to certain time that you actually need that medication. However, you will take the medication will not work. I hope this video is very, very helpful for you. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to a lot of people so that many people will abstain from this act. Thank you.